YouTubers, back once again. This time we're on Project Bike Clean. So I've been pretty lazy lately. You can see there's plenty of grime and dirt, and I've seen a lot of threads, people asking about what way people clean their bikes, so I thought I would do a wee quick vid showing what I do. As you can see, there's plenty of grime and dirt. Like I say, very lazy. Look at that lovely swig arm. So these are the products that I use. First off, muc-off. Great stuff. One of the best things I ever bought. Just spray on some water with a power hose, which is there. Then just soak it in, rinse off. Also some muc-off degreaser. Spray that around the chain, and then with your trusty toothbrush, scrub it in. Shines the chain up like brand new. Of course, then afterwards, some Castrol chain wax. I love this stuff because I've tried loads of non-fling waxes. This one seems to work the best. So I don't actually use that for a few hours after I've cleaned the bike. I like the chain to be really dry. Just have it. WD-40 should be in every toolbox. I use this for the black plastic bits, the bits like that there. Brings up nice shine on that. See, for them, like the watermarks and all, takes them clean off. All these wee bits, I WD-40 them. Also for the wee black bits here in the fork legs, brings them up nice and shiny. Calipers as well, get this thinking. And I think that's about it. That's all the equipment I use. Oh, sorry, very important bit. Bits. Cloths. I got a bag of cheap cloths. These do for your general polishing off, WD-40 application, whatnot. A good auto gleam leather chamois. This is one of the best cloths I've ever bought. Dear, but really worth it. And another great cloth is this auto gleam high-tech finishing cloth. As I say, use the cheap cloths for wiping off all the polish. Finish it with a finishing cloth, hence the name. The shine is unreal. So we'll get this power hose plugged in and we'll get to work. Here we are in all its HRC glory. Look at the shine of that. See? Love that wax. Great stuff. So there you go. Not a big job. And looks like you've spent all day cleaning it. Where in fact it's probably been about 15-20 minutes max. Of course, when you give it a coat with that wax, the next time you go to clean it, it's easier to clean. The shine of that. See you all next time.